Microsoft Access currently by default behaves in a certain way. And if you want to change how it generally works, then you can work around with the general settings that it has. So to do that, you need to go to the file menu right here. And once you go to the file menu, you can click on options. And over here in general, you can see that there's various features right here. For example, if you want to enable live preview button right here, you can also like enable and disable it out right here. If you want to enable and disable out screen tip, which pops up in between, you can also enable and disable right there. So by default, when you're creating databases, it creates the database file in the folder documents right here. So you can click on browse to change that out. And you can also select out the default file format that it creates. For example, you want to select access to a version 2000 file right here, then it will create access version 2000 only and not the other version. So I'm just going to select this out right here. And you can also set out the sort order right here according to different properties that you have right here as well. So you can set the username and initials that you want to display as well. And you can also select out the office background right here. For example, you want to go for straws and you want to make it black. Let's say, for example, press OK. Then your database will be set out accordingly, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around right here, you can see that all of the interface now simply changes out. So I'm just going to go around over here and create out a report right here, just like this. And you can see that all of the settings changes out accordingly. So let me just go around onto file, onto options right here. In general, you can see that you can go for dark gray over here as well, and it changes out accordingly. So you can see that you can change around the general settings just like this to get the look you want, and you can change around the change around how the application actually works according to how you want. And that is how you can work around with the general settings inside of Microsoft Access database. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.